Good morning, everyone. My name is Aparna. I am studying in fourth class in our Srishanti Niketan English Medium School.
Good afternoon, everybody. This is Veekshith studying in fourth class. Aim to check whether the material we use are soluble or insoluble process.
Material required: two glasses, sugar, salt, water, sand, spoon.
Process. Take a glass and pour some water. Add some salt. To it and stir it. Where is the salt? It dissolves in water. The molecules of trapped in the molecules of water, usually as volume of water, remain same. Hence, salt or sugar are soluble.
Take another glass, pour some water, add sand. Stir it. If that doesn't dissolve in water, it stills at the bottom. These types of material are insoluble. Hence, we determine soluble and insoluble material. Thank you.